If you're just getting started in the video space and want to know what types of videos to make for your marketing, this video is going to inspire you with what's possible. I'm going to give you the secrets of how to be an authority, how to show up, and how to get engagement with your videos. Are you ready for these 10 video marketing ideas? Number 1 is disruptive video. Disruptive content is about generating conversations, willing to challenge people's limiting beliefs, and if you want more engagement, this is the video type for you, because it's time to focus on being a leader and not worrying about what other people think. This video type is about wanting to make a difference in the world, wanting to create an impact or shift thinking in consciousness. These videos are about 5 to 10 minutes long and for the purpose of creating engagement. Good or bad, you are opening up dialogue, you are shifting something, and this takes courage to do. Believe me, when I first released something like this, I was so scared of the backlash, but to tell you the truth, it allowed me to be free. When you can share with your audience without resistance, there is a certain freedom that comes with that. And I love that, and I want you to have that too. Connection pieces. What do you believe? What do you stand for? Start talking about subjects that you are really passionate about, because when you share what you're passionate about, people feel it, they sense it, and you really do come across really passionate. It'll make you stand out from the rest of the people in the industry and make you more memorable. This kind of video sets you apart as an authority in your space. This is a fundamental piece of marketing. When people understand why you do what you do, when they know more about you and the brand and the business ethic, they are much more likely to buy from you. Client testimonials. Asking your clients to share their story is great for your marketing. It handles any objections a future customer may have, and it can be used in all areas of your business. Sometimes we work with people that are really scared to ask clients for a testimonial, but in my experience, people are more than willing. With your guidance, and because it's a win-win, people see them, it is definitely an ad for them too, so don't forget that. We always do video testimonials for people that we love and we pay it forward. So remember, before you even ask for a testimonial, perhaps you could make one for someone as a surprise. You'll be surprised at what comes back when you pay it forward. This is a method that we use to grow our database very fast, up to 5,000 back in 2015. And guess what? It still works today. A multi-day video campaign is when people opt in for a particular video subject and receive a video in 3, 5, or 7 days. It's the type of marketing that you can easily turn on and off as needed. We have one that we still use 4 years later because the content is still relevant and still useful. We've had clients fill a new practice or fill a semester or fill an intake with the same method. No matter what you do, this is a digital asset that you'll use for many years to come. It takes a little bit of setup, but it's definitely worth the effort because it builds trust with your customer. It helps you to be set as the authority. Book trailers. Check out this video. This is a book trailer that we released when I launched my book, Better Videos. This is a really effective video and so easy to put together. With great music and a library of footage, you can achieve a lot. Good morning.
Good Monday.
Number 6, video blogs. Video blogs are a great way to check in with your audience. You can express what you're thinking, ask questions, and stay connected with what's going on right now. Sometimes these don't have to be highly polished. You can simply do a Facebook Live. It's about showing up consistently more than anything else. Having a process for doing your video blogs also will systemize it and help you to save time so you don't have to overthink what you're doing. You can share your adventures, take people with you, invite people to get to know you. After all, you are the character in your own movie. What kind of character do you want to be in your movie? Howto content and reviews. As much as you say you know what you're talking about, people won't actually believe it until they see it. How-to content is a great way to show off what you know, and also it's a great way to use SEO and keywords to be discovered by other people. Different social media platforms show off how-to content differently, but YouTube is a great way to do how-to content. That's how people will find you. Paid advertising is a fantastic way of growing your business, and if you have seen our video ads on Facebook, you will know why. These ads work so much better when you have eye-catching videos that grab attention. We've tried with different images and sometimes they work, but hands down, we see much better results with a video. You don't have to make videos that make you cringe. You want to make videos that inspire people, grab attention, and you know your audience better than anybody. So if your ads aren't working, look at the quality of your videos, your messaging, what you're sharing. Really go back to basics, because we have, and our clients are getting ×10 return on investment. So that's a fantastic way to grow your business quickly. So if you've been procrastinating about spending money on advertising, you've got to get past that. Paid ads and having people find you when you're sleeping is the key. And then you can start to build momentum and look at your sales and how people find you and come on board as a client. It is very important, so don't skip that. I will be looking at that first. Once people click through your ad, they will come to what's called a landing page video. And this is a fantastic opportunity to have another conversation that's a few minutes long and explains exactly what they are getting in your offer. You can handle objections, continue to build relationships. These videos are really important as another touch point in the marketing cycle. So don't miss out and just put an image, because that's another opportunity to get to know your ideal client. Finally, story. Why did you start your business? What have you been through to get to this point? Your ideal client is like you. They've shared the similar struggles, and so it's important that you can share and be vulnerable so that you can reach as many people and have them connect with you, because they have seen you on video. So don't forget to be vulnerable, and that can be the hardest thing. I know recently I shared a video that went so far and wide, and I've had messages for 2 weeks after that video went out. It was hard for me to release, and I thought a lot about it, but what it did was it gave me freedom. It also connected me, and I didn't have that thing holding over me anymore. And that's the thing, when you share something personal, when you share something vulnerable, it doesn't have a hold on you anymore. When you come from that place of non-resistance, you'll find that your videos flow, and you won't be as scared anymore to just share and be you. And that's what this is about. Wow, 10 types of marketing videos just like that. Now, hope you've got lots of ideas, but I can't stress enough. Each of these videos has a strategy behind it. If you make a video and just expect you to grow your business overnight, don't expect that. You want to fast track your process and get it right the first time? Let's dive in and get to know your business. We love talking to business owners who are passionate about making their mark in the world. You don't need to do this all alone. We'd love to help and support you. Click the link, and I'd love to chat with you soon.